One of the ways to increase your mathematical speed is by knowing your rules of divisibility. When you see a number, you know which number that can divide it. For instance, for 2 can be divided by all even numbers. So if you see an even number, you know 2 can divide it. So if you see a number like 1158, this number is an even number. It's divisible by 2. For instance, 3. How do numbers 3 can divide? If you sum the digits, and you get a multiple of 3, that means 3 can divide it. What do I mean? A number like 531. 3 can divide 531. How do I know? Let's sum the digits. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is going to give us 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. So if you try it, divide 531 by 3. 3 can divide it. So this of divisibility is very, very important. If you want to increase your speed, you can Google it online. Google it for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to show you the reason why I say that it increases your speed. Let's talk about the one for 11. 11. Root of this for 11. For instance, everyone knows that a number like 132 can divide by 11. How do you know? The rule for 11 says that if you write a number, let's say that 0, 1, 3, 2. If you sum the alternate digits and take their difference and get 0 or 11, it's 0 by 11. Okay, let me put it in practice. Let's sum these two. If you sum these two, is 3. If you sum these two, is also 3. Now 3 minus 3 was 0. Because we got this 0, it means that 132 is divisible by 11. This thing makes it fast because there are some numbers you see, you might not even know that 11 can divide it. But knowing your rules, let me give you an instance. Let's say the area of a circle is 616 meters squared. And we have to find the radius. Let me just show you something. Now, we know that the area of pi is what? 22 over 7. So we know that the area of a circle, the area is equal to pi r squared, right? So that means 616 is equal to pi is 22 over 7. 22 over 7. And we're looking for the radius, so radius squared. So now solving it, multiplying, how does 616 22 times r is equal to 22 r squared all over 7. So for me, I now can cross multiply. So we have that 22 r squared is equal to 616 times 7. So to get the answer now, we'll divide both sides by 22 r squared, 22. So divide here by 22, divide here by 22. So this is what we have now, 616 times 7, all divided by 22. Then there's also r squared is equal to 616 times 7 divided by 22. Alright, let's continue from the other page. So r squared is equal to 616 times 7 divided by 22. Now 616 is an even number, so that means 2 can divide it. So if we use 2 to divide 22, we're going to get 11. Use 2 to divide 616, 2 divides 61, we give us 30, remainder 1. 2 divides this and is 8. Now, because of that rule now, we know that 11 can divide 308. Alright, let's test. 0, 3, 0, 8. Now let's add these two numbers. 0. Let's add these two numbers. 11. 0 minus 11 is what? Minus 11. And that rule says that it's either you get 0 or you get minus 11. So because we got minus 11, that means 308 is divisible by 11. So let's go ahead and divide it. 308 divided by what? 11. 11 divides 30 will give me 2, remainder 8. 11 divided 8 give me 8. So 308 over 11 will give me 28. So r squared now, solving for the radius. So if we do 20, then 11 divides itself is what? 1. So let's solve 28 times 7 will give us 196. So now to get the radius, we take the square root of what? Both sides. So the radius is equal to 14 cm. Can you see how rule of divisibility helped me to simplify this 308? Assuming I didn't know the rule now, I would have been stuck with this. So one of the ways to increase your accuracy is by knowing your what? Rules of divisibility. Thank you.